How to solve difficult physics problems. In physics, systems can get pretty complicated really quickly just by adding one additional piece to the environment. For example, let's look at this pendulum. As you can see, this pendulum has a very simple motion that we can easily derive, as all it does is move side to side. But if we add a second pendulum attached to the end of the first one, the motion becomes much more complicated and it appears chaotic. We can actually solve for this system's equations of motions using a fairly simple equation that we call the Lagrangian. The Lagrangian of a system is just the system's kinetic energy minus its potential energy, two things that are generally easy to calculate. Once we have the Lagrangian, we can plug it into the following equation, where the derivative of the Lagrangian with respect to a general coordinate is equal to the time derivative of the Lagrangian with respect to a general velocity. From this formula, we can develop equations that will predict the motion of these systems. Okay, that was a lot of words and may still look complicated to some people, but it's actually quite a simple process to learn that allows us to understand the motion of these complex systems. Pretty epic, right?